Welcome this video. The choosing charm of tiny loft maximize space in maximizes living. In the real of urban living where space is a covered luxury and the demand of effective live solution is ever growing. Tiny loft have emerged as a beacon of practicality and charm. Those paint size about typically characterized by their compact dimension and clever design, often a refresh alternative to traditional house while even body those mix of minimalities living from busting metropolitans to call tiny left loft have captain the integrate of individual skill, simplicity, functional, and a touch of engrove in her living space. If first glance the connect of a tiny loft mid even image of champagne comfort. However, those pro notice or quality display up keep foot into one of those dull one tiny loft or master price is space optimization were even note is altered to create a entertainment that food space and invited. One of the different functional of a tiny loft is its open full plan, which even the traditional compromisation of rule room in favor of seamless multifunctional living space. Wall or keep to our maximalities allow of full and minimalities. The principle of space. This open layout not only enhance the sea of air need but also put connected between different area of the left. In tiny left, even secured inch connect. The story solved are the name of the game from busy in shape and height cabin of left loft board bed or modern functional furniture. Those clean design elements that not space going to wash. Various space is functional emphasize with valve often which shave and vacuum to accommodate blood without ultimate to space full design. Tiny loft also holdings appear from those look to maximize those footprints and abrasion or more centerability, living space with air smart size and effective use are different. Tiny loft signification and abrasion and product feel compact to large house, adding mean tiny loft delve open from easier front build material and electric effect application read those entertainment impact by choose to living smart individual can make a meaningful convenient to the picnic of outplan the gardening. In conclusion, Danny left request the compact solve to the patient challenge of urban living, which those affect use the space, clean design, and effect of simplicity. Danny loft open a unique optimization to living large in a smart footprint more than just a past trend. Tiny left embodied a photo thing, the growing of quality, ultimate of possibility and connect over income.